If you want to know how to post on Beehiiv, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can create and publish a post with confidence, whether you're sending it to email, publishing it to the web, or doing both at the same time. This is perfect for beginners who want a clean, simple workflow inside Beehiiv without missing any important settings. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Start Writing button and click it. This is where your post creation process begins. Beehiiv will then give you a choice between starting with a blank draft or using a template. If you want full control over the layout and content, a blank draft is usually the best option. But if you want to save time and get a head start, a template can be really useful too. After selecting your draft type, the next step is to enter a title for your post. Your title is one of the most important parts of the post because it's the first thing your readers will see. Make it clear, relevant, and interesting. If you want, you can also add a subtitle to give your post a little more context or to make the opening feel more polished. Now it's time to upload a thumbnail image. A good thumbnail can make your post look more professional and can help grab attention, especially if you're publishing to the web. Once that's done, move into the main editor and start writing your content. This is where you can build out your newsletter or post in full. As you write, Beehiiv makes it easy to add more than just text. If you want to insert additional content blocks, simply type the / or slash and you'll see options appear. From there, you can add images, buttons, dividers, embeds, and other elements to make your post more engaging. This is especially helpful if you want to break up long sections of text or make your post feel more interactive and visually appealing. Once your content looks good, the next step is to click Next, or you can open the Audience tab depending on your layout. This is where you decide how your post will be delivered. You can choose to publish to email, web, or both. If you're sending it by email, make sure you select the correct subscriber segment so the right audience receives it. That part matters a lot if you have different groups or segments in your Beehiiv list. After that, open the Email tab. Here, you'll set your subject line and preview text. Your subject line should be clear and compelling, while your preview text should support the subject and encourage opens. Think of these as your first chance to make someone want to read what you've written. If you're also publishing to the web, open the Web tab next. Here, you can configure your web post settings and adjust the URL if needed. This is where you make sure your online post is set up properly for readers who will view it directly on your Beehiiv site. When everything is set, click Review. Beehiiv will show you previews for both desktop and mobile, so take a moment to check how your post looks on different devices. This step is important because formatting can sometimes look different depending on the screen size. Carefully verify that all your settings are correct, including the title, content, audience selection, and publish options. Once you've reviewed everything and you're happy with it, click Schedule. From here, you can choose Publish Now if you want the post to go live immediately, or you can select a future date and time if you want to schedule it in advance. After that, just confirm the publication and your Beehiiv post will be ready to go. And that's it. You now know how to post on Beehiiv from start to finish. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.